What a delivery. Good pace from Asnan, 143 kilometers.
Cheeky, impudent, and 4.
Coming around the wicket, Harris. Again, same shot, same result.
Oh, that is a beauty. He spiked him.
Round the wicket, bringing that angle into play, hitting the middle timber. What a delivery.
Oh, shot. Oh, shot. That's gone all the way.
Instead of follow the batsman, he was middle and 81 meters.
Finds the gap. It was a slower ball.
Bowled so nicely, Asnan, bowling those Yorkers, nailing those Yorkers, and decided to go length deliveries.
Oh, he's dug that one out. That might have hit the gap as well. It has. Pakistani supporter. They had the game won. It's back in England's favour again.
Absolutely, 18 of 16, 15 runs from this over. 4 deliveries to go. Required run rate 6.75.
Oh, that's going to be 4. That's an absolute gimme. Dawson helped himself over third man.
And third man was up in the circle. You bowl according to your field. Down leg side, square leg put up in the circle. This will race away to the boundary.
In so much control. Square leg comes in, nice and easy flick over the top for 4.
Dawson on the hook shot. He's found the gap again. But here he is playing an absolute stunner at the back end here in match 4 in Karachi.
Yeah, that's a pure gem.
Oh, it's in the air. He's got him. He's got him.
Played beautifully. And of course, the go-to man, Haris Rauf, got this wicket. Easy catch.
Knocked him over. Oh, this is Pakistan cricket at its very best.
Cannot believe what I'm seeing. Looking for a drive, missed it from the outside, hitting the off stump.
Oh, going down the leg side, going down the leg side.
Just keep rolling. Keep rolling. Ball is close to the bat to confirm ultra edge, please. Keep rolling. Keep rolling. I can see gap between ball and bat. Original decision not out. Pitching outside leg. Pitching outside leg. Can you go back on feet, please? Faisal, I recommend you to stay with your original decision. I'll let you know when you are on screen. You are on screen, make a signal.
He doesn't manage it. He doesn't manage it. What an over. Rashid's mile down. Oh, should be run out. Must be run out. Gone! Pakistan! Pakistan have levelled the series 2-2. And pandemonium has broken out here at the National Stadium. As we wait for the decision, Topley miles short. The first time in 2,065 days